Hi guys, welcome to our second camping trip.
I can't join in. I don't want to. I'll be in the back. Ready, guys? I'm letting go. Okay. Hey, lower it down a little bit. Wait, it's actually not heavy at all. It's heavy. Oh, it is because Britney has all the weight. Britney, I'll help you out. Are we just putting it down? Yours are funny. Let's see what happens. I feel like I'm rock climbing.
This weekend we're out on a camping trip with the girls again, and we're at a different campsite. This is way more foresty, a lot of trees around here, a lot of shade. But the only thing about our campsite is that it's on a slope. We had to find like the flattest area to keep so that we could put our tent on top of it, but it's not too bad. So we unloaded everything and now we're gonna set everything up. So we have our tent and we got this 10-person tent from Walmart. So we're gonna see how that goes. And then we also need to set up our canopy, of course, and then everything else. The weather is very nice. Since we have all the trees around us, it feels so nice.
Oh my god, bro, that's crazy. Can I touch it? You would have. Yeah. I'll do it like this. Reach that shit though. Hey, watch this. Help me reach it. What? Help me. Give me that. Help me reach that shit. Help me reach that shit, please. So Jen brought homegrown avocados. Girl, this do not look ripe.
Leave it out in the sun.
Is this a lemon and limes? Yeah.
Oh, this one's done. This one's ready. This one.
Wait, let's check the
Wait,
other
show
one.
them my steak.
Oh, actually, they feel ready. Nice, Jen.
Show them my steak.
Oh, it's in the thing.
Wait, here, my rice. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Ice or rice?
My rice.
Ooh.
Oh.
Did water get in it?
No.
Oh, no, we're good. Wait. A little bit. It's a little mushy. Here.
Oh.
Take it out. Open it.
No, my hands
Wait,
are
don't
really dirty. My hands are super dirty. Heat it back up. It should be fine. Let's go look at some steak.
Wait, you have to dig it out, though.
Oh, really? Oh. Ew, don't touch it with your dirty hands. Sorry, I just want one. Okay,
With
sorry,
thanks.
bro. This is too much. It's too much. We're not getting that. We'll show you all on Sunday. Alright, bye. Oh, I can actually reach this one.
We finished setting up the tent. Don't ask how long it took, and my feet are very dirty right now. We also have the canopy up as well, and now we're just organizing the little stuff such as the food, where we're gonna sit, our camping chairs and everything. But we got our bed set up, our mattresses are pumped up. Our other two friends are coming in later at night. The sun is starting to set. I don't know if you guys could tell, Angie bought this camping lights, so she wrapped it around our campsite. It'll look really cute at night. Our tent is big and it took a while to put up, but we figured it out eventually. Very excited. We're getting the campfire ready right now. It's gonna be a good trip.
Eating it up? Oh my god, why does it look like that?
Oh, I didn't mix it yet.
Damn. What is that?
She's going to the toilet, bro. Tumbush and ramen. Nah, I'm built different. Let's do it ASMR.
Oh. Now do a slurp.
That's good.
Okay, what are you eating?
Chicken ramen.
Nice. Brit?
Mama noodles, tom yum.
You're doing ASMR too.
What?
Why are you just recording that?
It's ASMR. Wait, does the restroom have lights? Because I did see like lamps.
It's
but
like-
does it
It's
work?
really I think it turns on
Oh.
once it's like dark. Dude, that looks so good. Can I have some? Like,
You like eat long.
what? I take a long time to eat?
Yeah.
I'm trying to enjoy it. Here, does the camera want to bite?
When I close my eyes, ruthless I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door.
Wood. The egg first. Egg. It's okay. Oh my god, it's dark in here. Turn on the light so we can see you.
Hey guys, welcome to the room tour. That's all.
We are in the car right now. This is the end of our first night camping. It was pretty successful. We had a hard time putting up the stuff though. Brush our teeth. I still need to do my skincare. Tomorrow we're gonna have a lot of stuff to do. It was pretty successful. We ate a lot of stuff. We were able to build the fire. See you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Is that the surprise?
Yeah.
It's fairy lights?
Oh my god.
Fix my posture immediately. Hey subs, make sure to subscribe.